Hello, students. Hello, grammarians. It's Mr. Grammar, and today we will talk about apostrophes. So, what exactly are apostrophes and how or why are they used? Okay, so there are different purposes for apostrophes, and we will look at these purposes. So, the first one is apostrophes are used to indicate possession. What do I mean by that? Okay, well, let's look at our first example. This is Carol's iPhone. Okay, so if you see this apostrophe S, this is an apostrophe. If you see apostrophe S after a name, then you know that this is Carol's iPhone. This belongs to Carol. This is Carol's phone. Marvin's car is currently at the shop. Okay, so Marvin apostrophe S. Marvin's car is currently at the shop. Okay. Possession. Beware. Do not use apostrophe to indicate plurality. What do I mean by that? So I have seen this numerous times. So I always tell my students, if you're not sure how to use this grammatical technique or rule, then just skip it altogether. Okay? So here, there are many dogs at the park. That is incorrect. Okay? Because we are not using possession. Incorrect. Apostrophe S is incorrect. There are many dogs at the park. How do we fix that? The right way to fix this, there are many dogs at the park. Okay? So this is the right way to use dogs. There are many dogs at the park. You don't need an apostrophe. Because here, dogs, once you add the letter S after dog, then you're showing plurality of your subject or your noun. Here, dogs. There are many dogs at the park. Okay. What if the noun has an S? So here, these are the dog's toys. Okay, so if we are talking about two dogs, not just one, two dogs, maybe they are siblings and they live together and these are their toys, then you would say dogs with an S, not an apostrophe before, but then right after the S, then you will indicate here that these two dogs, these are the dog's toys. So I know this sounds a little complicated, but with practice, that's how you improve your grammar. So here, that would be correct. Okay, what if a person's name ends with an S? For names ending in S, you can either add an apostrophe S or just an apostrophe. So for example here, Ms. Jones' class is in room 101. Okay, so Miss Jones' name ends with an S. Okay, so here you can add an apostrophe after S, or if you wish, you can also add an apostrophe after the S and add another S. Miss Jones' class is in room 101. Okay, so these both are grammatically correct. Okay, so that's how we use apostrophes, okay, through possession or add an apostrophe after an S if necessary. Okay, another way to use apostrophes, apostrophes are used in contractions. So for example here, I'm is I am, don't, do not, didn't, did not, hadn't, had not, your, you are. Apostrophes.